How to change from Google to Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Apps. This section lists all your installed applications, allowing you to manage individual settings for each one. Now, scroll down the list and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, tap on the default browser app option as shown. Change the settings from Chrome to Safari. A checkmark will appear next to your selection, confirming the change. Now, go back to the previous screen to see that Safari is set as the default browser. Following these steps, you can easily change from Google to Safari on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.